Hello. Presence define what virtuality is all about and plays an increasingly significant role in evaluating virtuality experience. Recent research has witnessed a surge in studies focusing on measuring the sense of presence in virtuality. In light of this, we embark on a comprehensive review to explore the current state and practices of assessing presence in virtuality. We retrieve and review over 2,000 papers through keyword searches in three academic databases: Google Scholar, Scopus, and Web of Science. From the search results, we assess the records one by one to perform the review. We apply different criteria to select the final records for review, focusing on aspects of presence and how they were measured and reported. First, we skim the content of each record to identify the conducted study report. Second, we prioritize records that reported studies conducted in MR environments rather than other mediated environments such as VR. Our analysis resulted in 320 papers that report on the measurement of presence in MR. The number of papers per year have been steadily increasing, with a significant jump since 2018, when the number of published studies doubled to over 40. We also observed a slight decline in 2020 and also 2021, likely attributed to the COVID-19 pandemic affecting studies with human participants. Beyond our surveys of the large number of studies addressing MR presence, we present 5 key findings. 1. There is a large and increasing interest in MR presence as a central experience construct. 2. While mixed reality presence and virtual reality presence have some commonalities, they are fundamentally different. 3. VR presence measurement instruments are not necessarily well suited for assessing MR presence. 4. The use of customized questionnaires based on VR or other views to measuring presence and MR can be problematic. There may be a question whether the instrument measure actually what they are supposed to measure. And finally, there seems to be no generally agreed upon definition of the concept of MR presence yet. Beyond our research, we would suggest a number of guiding principles. Researchers should leverage existing present knowledge and concepts, specifically define and discuss within the context of MR. Striking a balance between innovation in research methods and relying on proven resources can also elevate the overall quality of research. As part of our work, we have created a reference tool that lists research articles measuring presence in MR. This tool aggregates information from our surveys, provides an overview of the different types of presence and how they were measured in previous studies. The tool is available under the link and free to access. Let's explore it. By clicking on the type of the presence or by clicking on the type of the measurements, the tool will show the paper and also the data in our database based on the selection. Researchers are also encouraged to thoroughly report and publish their work. Essential steps include defining the concept of presence used in research, specifying the investigating aspect of presence within the study, and presenting how presence is measured along with its results. Further analysis and discussions relating presence measurements to the related concept measurements in the same study can provide valuable insight into their relationship. While present in MR can benefit from present in VR and other fields, it is important to recognize that present in MR is distinct. Embracing creativity and unconventional perspectives of present in MR can shed more light on the concept. Regarding present measurements in MR, questionnaires are the predominant and opportunistic measurement method. However, researchers should explore alternative approaches such as physiological measurements. By leveraging multiple measurement approaches, researchers can complement results obtained from different methods. Kia Thank you. My name is Tanh and my co-authors are my supervisors, Tobias Langlotz and Holger Regenbrecht.